Welcome to the Sulak Recreation Area, located in the Manistee National Forest, about half-hour east of Ludington, Michigan. You can find all 12 campsites located just off of this road. There is no trash, so please pack out. Some of the amenities are pit toilets, a campfire and picnic table at each campsite, along with a few others that I'll mention near the end. Each campsite has a great amount of space for all size rigs. A couple of the campsites are pull-throughs, but most are back-ends. We have T-Mobile and Visible for cell service. Reception was spotty, so we recommend using a cell booster. There also is a trailhead with public parking, along with access to the Pure Marquette River. A small boat launch is at the end of the road along with a turnaround. So if you do have a large rig and need a turnaround, we recommend going to the end. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more free camping reviews, please subscribe.